Okay, we were doing exercise 14.1. We have completed first four questions. Now we will move forward with the next question, that is fifth question. So what is given in the fifth question? First, see that in a retail market, fruit vendors are selling mangoes kept in a packing box. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. Okay, तो 15 boxes में 50 to 52 mangoes hai. Okay, in 15 boxes there are 50 to 52 mangoes. Like that, in 110 boxes there are 53 to 55 mangoes. In 135 boxes there are 56 to 58 mangoes. In 115 boxes there are 59 to 61 mangoes, and in 25 boxes there are 62 to 64 mangoes. Okay, so in the first column we will write the range. So first range is 50 to 52. Next is 53 to 55. Okay, next is 56 to 58. Next is 59 to 61. Next is 62 to 64. Okay, we have written all the ranges. Next, we will find the class mark. Okay, we'll require the class mark. Before that, we will write the frequency. So in the first range, there are 15 boxes. In the next range, there are 110 boxes. Next range, there are 135 boxes. Next range, there are 115. And next last range, there are 25 boxes. We have to find the mean of the mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you use? So tell me which method we should use here. Either assumed mean method or direct mean method. Bolo. Which method we are going to use? Assumed mean method. Okay, fine. No issue. We will use assumed mean method. Now, for assumed mean method, we will require the class mark first of all, and the middle value of the class mark column, we will take it as assumed mean. So we'll find out the class mark first. 50 to 52, the middle value is 51. 53 to 55, the middle value is 54. 56 to sorry, 58, the middle value is 57. 59 to 61, the middle value is 60. 62 to 64, the middle value is 63. So what we should take the assumed mean now? Which value we should take as the assumed mean? The middle value. The middle value of the class mark, we take it as the assumed mean. So we will take 57 as our assumed mean. So we are using by assumed mean method, we are solving it. Assumed mean method, we are solving it. Okay, so our assumed mean is small a and it is equal to 57. Yes, what is the formula for assumed mean method? What is the formula for assumed mean method? Yes, anyone? What is the formula for assumed mean method? What is the formula for assumed mean?
A plus summation of FIDI divided by summation of FI.
Okay, a plus summation of FIDI upon summation of Fi. Okay, and that is nothing but x bar is equal to, x bar is our mean. So what we require now? We require a di. So di is what? It is xi minus a. Di is what? It is xi minus a, deviation. So 51 minus 57. how much it comes? 51 minus 57. See, for the first row, our xi is 51. Assumed mean we have taken 57. So how much it will come? 51 minus 57 minus 6. Okay. Next, 54 minus 57, it will come minus 3. 57 minus 57, it will come 0. After that, it will come plus 3. And next, it will come what? Plus 6. Okay. Now, next, what we have to do? We have to do the product of fi and di. We have to do the product of fi and di. Yes, what will be the product of fi into di? First will be minus 90. Next, minus 330. Next, 0. Next, 345. Okay. Next is 25. 6 is 150. Now do the summation of these values. That will be your summation of fi di. How much it comes? How much it comes? It is coming 75. Okay. 75. So we'll put the values here. A plus 75 upon what is summation of fi? What is summation of fi? 400. Okay. So 75 upon 400. A, we have taken 57. So what it comes? 25 threes are and 25 16s are. So 3 by 16 you have to solve it. How much it comes? How much it is coming? 3 by 16 in decimal. What is the value of 3 by 16 in decimal? Okay, it is coming 57.18. Okay. Viraj, it is necessary to make the this data in the range when we are using direct mean method. Okay. यानी ये कंटिन्यूअस लाना पड़ता है. ये 52 52 है, यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट वैल्यू 53 है, तो ये हमको कहाँ पे चाहिए? वी हैव टू डू इट इन डायरेक्ट मीन मेथड. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू यू विराज? Okay, so here the mean is what? 57.18. If you are taking 3 4 decimals, you will round off it to 57.19. Okay, so the mean here in this question is 57.18 or 19. Okay, now we'll start the next one. Next one is what? The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. So, first range is 100 to 150 rupees. Four houses, they are spending 100 to rupees 150. Okay, daily expenditure. Five houses, they are spending 150 to 200. 12 houses, they are spending 200 to 250 rupees daily. Two houses, they are spending 250 to 300 rupees daily. And last two houses are spending rupees 300 to 350. Okay, this is given to us, so we will write the daily expenditure. So 100 to 150, 150 to 200, next 200 to 250, next 250 to 300, next is 300 to 350. Okay, frequency is given. We'll write frequency also 4, 5, 12, 2, and 2. Okay, which method we are going to use here? Which method we will be using here? They have said suitable method. The choice will be yours. Okay, you can use either assumed mean method also, and you can use direct mean method also. Okay, direct mean method is very easy. Okay, but in previous question that direct mean method was not applicable, because see here in this question 100 to 150 and 150 to 200. In previous question the range was C 50 to 52 and 53 to 55. So we have used assumed mean method. So here for direct mean method, we will require class mark first. Okay. So class mark is nothing but the middle value of our range. 100 to 50 is our range. So middle value is what? 125. Yes or no? Okay. Next, the middle value is 175. Next, the middle value is 225. Next, the middle value is 275. After that, it is 325. Next, what we have to do? We have to do the product of these two values. Yes, do the product of these two values right in the next column. That is your Fi xi. Okay. Product of Fi and xi. So 125 forza is how much? 125 forza 500. Okay. 500. Next, 175 5za. 175 into 5. 875. Okay. 875. I don't think so इतना बड़ा आएगा. Yes, yes. 175 is 850 and 55 is 25, so 875. Correct. Okay, next 12 into 225. 12 into 225. 2700. Okay. After that 275 into 2. 400 plus 150 is 550. Okay. Next is 650 it will come. Okay. Do the summation of these values. This will be your summation of Fi xi. And which method we are using? By using direct mean method. We are using direct mean method. What is the sum coming? 5275. Okay, please check the calculations. 500 plus 875 plus 2700 plus 550 plus 650. Okay, 5275. Now do the summation of Fi. What is summation of Fi? We are having 25 households, so summation of Fi will be 25. So our formula using direct mean method is what? X bar is equal to summation of Fi xi divided by summation of Fi. So what it comes next? 5275 divided by 25. बोलो कितना आता है? What is the answer? What is the answer? 211. Okay, 211. So here rupees 211 will be the mean. Write down the final statements also, because as you are aware that this exam is subjective type, so each and every step will have certain marks. Each and every step will have certain marks. Okay. Okay, we'll start the next one. Okay, try doing this. Try it by yourself. Concentration of SO2 is given to us and its frequency is given to us. Concentration is given in ppm. The process will be same. Okay, the best way is to use direct mean method because direct mean method is very easy. We'll write the range first here in the first column 0.00 to 0.04. Next 0.04 to 0.08. Next 0.08 to 0.12. Next 0.12 to 0.16. Next is 0.16 to 0.20. Next is 0.20 to 0.24. Okay. Next, here it will not come number of boxes. Huh? Here it will come frequency. Here it will come frequency. So write down the frequency 499,242. After that, we know how to find out the class mark. Class mark is what? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. What will be the class mark in the first row? It will be 0.02. Next, it will be 0.06. Next, it will be sorry 0.10. Next, it will be 0.14. Next, it will be 0.18. And last, it will be 0.22. Do the product of these two, what it comes? 0.08 it will come. Next, it will come 0.54. Next, it will come 0.9. Next, it will come 90. We'll write 90. Okay, next, it will come 0.28. Next, it will come 0.72. And next, 0.44. Do the summation of all this value. That will be your summation of fi xi. How much it comes? Tell me. Summation of fi xi. How much it is coming? 2.96. Okay, 2.96. So x bar, we are using direct mean method, so we will have to mention it by using direct mean method. X bar is equal to summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. So 2.96 divided by summation of f is what? Summation of f is 30 localities are there, na? So 30 divided by 30. So solve this 2.96 divided by 30. You will get 0.098. Okay. 0.098 ppm. 0.098 ppm. Write down the final statement also according to the question. Okay. Next one. Start doing this. It is same as the previous ones. First make the table. Write down the first two columns of the table, that is the number of days and number of students will be our frequency here. 40 students are there in the class, that means summation of fi will be 40. After that, find out the class mark for each range. If you are using direct mean method, then do the product of fi and xi. Write it in the next column. Okay, finally you will do summation of fi xi. Finally you will do summation of fi xi. Okay, so what is the first range? It is 0 to 6. Next is 6 to 10. After that, 10 to 14. And 14 to 20 is the next range. 20 to 28 is the next range. 28 to 28 to 38. Next is 38 to 40. Here you use the direct mean method. See here in the range, I find that there is a problem. First range, there is a gap of 6. Then there is a gap of 4. Then there is a gap of 4. Then there is a gap of 6. So use assumed mean method only. Okay, you will use assumed mean method only. By using assumed mean method. Huh. So number of students 11, 10, 7, 4, 4, 3, 1. Okay, then find out the class mark. So here it will come what 3. Next it will come 8. Middle values we have to find. Next it will come 12. Next it will come 17. After that we will have 24. After that 33. And after that 39. Okay. Now here you will require DI. DI is what? Xi minus A. Di is what? Xi minus A. First we will assume our mean. What we should take as the mean now? What we should assume our mean? 17. Okay, 17 is our assumed mean. So A will be equal to 17. Okay, so di is what? Xi minus A. So 3 minus 17, how much it comes? Minus 14. 8 minus 17, how much it comes? Minus 9. 12 minus 17, it will come minus 5. 17 minus 17, it will come 0. 24 minus 17, 7. Next is what? 33 minus 17. Calculate 33 minus 17, how much it comes? 33 minus 33 minus 17, 16. Okay, and 39 minus 17, it will come 22. Next, you will have to do fi into di. Fi into di. Okay. Okay, so write down the value of fi into di here. Fi into di. So 11 into minus 14, how much it comes? Minus 154. Okay. Next, it will come minus 90. It will come minus 35. Minus 5 into 7 is minus 35. Here it will come 0. 7 4 is 28. And 16 3 is 48. 22 1 is 22. Yes, do the summation of these values. That will be your summation of fi di. कितना आ रहा है बोलो? First do the addition of this negative terms, then do the addition of this positive terms, and then tell me the net result. How much it is coming? Summation of fi di. Summation of fi di कितना आ रहा है? 28 plus 22 40 50 it will come. 50 plus 48 98. ओके, ये पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज का सम आ रहा है 98. नेगेटिव वैल्यूज का सम कितना आ रहा है? Tell me the sum of negative and minus. Harsh, it is coming positive or negative? It will come negative because negative values are bigger. Minus 181. Okay. So our formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi di upon summation of fi. So what it will come? A, we have taken it as 17. This will become minus 181 upon summation of fi is 40. Okay. Calculate this value in decimals. Okay. Then we will subtract it from 17. How much it is coming? 17 minus, what is the value of this 181 divided by 40? It is minus 4.5. Okay, 4.5. So after subtracting this, how much it will come? 12.5. See, at least take two decimals. Huh? After when you are dividing it, na, at least take two decimals. 5.2 it is coming. Okay, so 12.48 days will be the final answer. Okay, that will be the mean. I think so. One more question is remaining of this exercise. Yes or no? One question is remaining. That is question number 9. Okay, that you will do it as homework. Tomorrow we will start mode. Okay, Tomorrow we'll start the next topic of the chapter, that is mode. Okay, Vallakatti, send me the attendance.